Abby, here's your special Christmas gift. Okay. Yeah, Daddy's got it. Oh, what'd you get, Abby? Oh, yeah. What'd you get? She's all excited.
There we go.
What did you get, Abby? Mommy told you. Mommy said she got you a special stuffy animal.
Here you go, bud.
There you go.
Hey.
Is that okay, Abby? It's not Ellie, but Mommy couldn't find you an Ellie. She is, I gotta go fix my makeup first.
How many people watching? It's not Ellie.
Yeah, it's not Elmo. Mommy's sorry she couldn't find Elmo. Yeah, you gotta take what you can get. That's right. Show him who's boss. I know. See, you like him. He may not be Ellie, but you like him.
Courtship's over.
Yeah.
Time to get down to it.
Abby.
Oh, Merry Christmas.
Yeah,
to you
Merry
too.
Christmas, Abby.
You rotten.
We take it you love your new bear. Abby and her new boyfriend, 2013. Merry Christmas, Abby. Merry Christmas, Abby Jade.